Hello students, this is Hem Srivastav. We will discuss the different features of population. We have already discussed density, natality, mortality, etc. etc. And now we have time to discuss what is age distribution. As you know, there are features like population density, there is a feature like natality or birth or events related to birth, and feature like mortality, that is the events related to death of an individual or a few individuals or a group of individuals in a population. So all these features make a special attribute named as age distribution in a population. A population is very important in the sense of age distribution. The population may comprise or may be identified with the people having a specific age. Suppose there is a population which is being comprised of 5,000 or so individuals. Most of the individuals are very young. That means they are 1 to 8 years of age or 1 to 12 years of age. That means they are very young and they have their playing time for them. So at that time, the average or a gross looks of the population is associated with the very young generation or children. So, whenever we look at the population, we see small children playing. That means they have their playing age, non reproductive age. So, this is the very younger phase of population. This is young phase of population. This means that the population is very young and there are less people of reproductive age. That means around people around 20 to 40 years are very less in number, and older people are also less. That means the population is having a good growth rate because of its age distribution. Good growth rate because of its special or specific age distribution, which has very less number of reproducing people or people of reproducing age. The people having the reproductive ability are less in number at the present time. So, such populations won't increase very fast because people who have the capability to reproduce are less in number, although there are more children at the present time. That means rate of the reproduction has become slow. So this is a type of age distribution in which there are three sections in life, or there are three phases of life. The first is the very young generation, that is non-reproducing individuals, that is comprising of non-reproducing individuals, and the next is the older one which have the reproductive capability, and the third section is the old people group. That is the section comprising of the very old people which do not have reproductive ability, or only the last phase of their life is left. So there are three phases. Suppose there is a population where young children are too many. And the number of individuals which have the reproductive ability are very much more than other groups. The reproductive age group comprises more than 50% of the population. Such type of populations will grow very fast because the reproducing people are much more in number, they are much more in percentage, so will give birth to new offsprings which are more in number because of presence of capable people which are very more, or their percentage is very high. And there are populations where older people are much more in number. In some continents or some countries or some states like China have more older people and have less people of reproducing age, or less percentage of people having the reproductive capability. Their population size may become constant, or the population becomes stagnant in terms of density or in terms of numerical increase. So in this type of populations there is seldom any increase. So this is the importance of age distribution. Whether the size of the population will increase or diminish, will flourish or will have economic abundance, will depend on the age distribution. If the younger people are too much, then there is economic growth, there is numerical growth, and there is a scope of a very good growth in all other senses. But if the older people are much more than any section, then there are less chances of increase in size and other terms. Thank you for a patient hearing. Thanks a lot.